Hey guys, just got the cool new fidget spinner, glow in the dark. Here's my old one. And here's the new one. We're going to be testing it out today. I've already opened this twice, made a few videos, and tested other things out. So here it is. My mom also got one, so yeah, we're going to test this out. See how well it works. Yes, I just used the bathroom, so yeah. Okay, and start. 3, 2, 1, and start. Can you see it? It's right here. I guess it doesn't work very well on camera. Oh, because it does work. So I guess, bye.